in a couple houses.
350 Bowman.
I told the people, if you ain't paying your rent, you got to get out and come find out the people own the place.
Oh God.
Yeah. That was right down this way.
So we got some trees that need to be removed. There's a new window.
Right. I'll do it on make money today. There.
So where do we get in here? Hey, somebody just broke in the back window. He said it was recent. These are replacement windows too, so we can get the glass.
Okay, good.
But it's because everybody knows our houses are empty and there's no blinds in them. Hey, you know what I might do? We might put blinds.
Hell yeah, there's a hole in the floor right there.
There's a homeless person living in here.
Oh, that's fun. Is the teapot still warm? Isn't that what they always check on TV?
No, look at this. This isn't actually that bad.
No, it's really not.
But it's good to jump on it quick. I'm glad you're buying empty homes like this because it saves me like worry that they're gonna. We have about one home and that Kate says since the first time she's been in there, all the plaster fell off the wall. It's falling apart in Springfield. Yeah, so this guy's living here right now.
So the police always sit right there. He makes whoever's doing it, they look like ain't nothing going on. This was locked out open there. I had to come by here. Yeah, it don't surprise me. I've seen needles. I've seen a whole lot of stuff in these houses.
Oh, that's a nice knife.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I'll give it to you as a gift.
You know, I think I'll stick with the knife that's already in my pocket.
I don't know why I feel so comfortable going through your house with you guys here.
Oh yeah, trust me, I'm known. I'm very well known.
I know people. We're looking good for whatever reason. So these are all replacement windows, Chris?
Yep.
So we can go to a glass company?
Yep.
D&W glass, that's one of the best ones around.
D&W glass.
D&W glass. Remember
Yeah, so
that.
I'm gonna have Chris
Good sized room. Overall condition's good. Easy to fix the glass. Need some love.
Yeah, but they just ripped it down looking for piping and wiring. Hey, they ripped the ceiling down looking for piping and wiring.
Here too, somebody tried to.
But they found
Copper, they found copper.
We got water damage here.
That's a corner. What's he putting out there? A bag?
Ceiling.
What's in that bag?
Doobie snacks. Somebody's cooking something there.
So these look a lot nicer when I bought it, obviously.
Oh, this almost had some serious fire damage.
Yeah, but that's not from an outlet.
No, that's from a fucking crack pipe.
What it looks like.
Okay, let's catch this stuff. Let's make sure yeah, but so Chris is purposely taking out 13 Mansfield to help us, and then we're going to take like the rest of them and start fixing them up. Yeah. I want Kevin to, like, I want to come up with like a way everybody could police the vacants to stop bad.
I wish we had a camera system or something like that.
What you guys are really going to wish you had is once I start working with you guys is you're going to wish you had.